Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Just Ikea, and it is your girl Ikea. So the video that you are going to watch is on this hair, as the title of the video suggests. Now I've had the video for more than a year. I'm not too sure about the duration I've had this video for, but I've had this hair for more than a year and it's amazing. So in the video, because it was newer and because the video is an older video, the quality is not all that great, but you guys should bear with me. And yeah, the good thing about me posting the video right now, you guys get to see how the hair looks after a year. It's almost 2 years. So after a year of having this hair, and this is with just water and then finger detangling. I've not even run a brush through or anything. This is just with water and then finger detangling. In the video you see that I used the curl mousse, so the results were quite different. The curls were popping, they were popping. But yeah, this is the hair a year later. It looks pretty good, and I'm very happy to say I'm very glad that I invested in hair from Hair Center. They are the best, and you guys, I've worn this hair for countless amounts of time. Usually when I'm not wearing any hairstyle, this is what I throw on. So I've definitely gotten my money's worth because I've worn it several times. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to your girl, and catch you next time on another video. Bye bye.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love.
guys, so thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you did enjoy, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. It helps me so much. Please like it, and if you have any comments, any video suggestions, or anything at all that you want to see on my channel, please do well to leave it in the comment section or in my DMs on my Instagram at Akia, or just Akia on Twitter, and I'll be happy to give you content. So thank you for watching, and thank you for coming back this week. Thank you, and I'll see you next time on another video. Bye.